Having a dope piece of art on your wall is an awesome flex, especially if it's art that becomes worth more than what you paid for, right? So, I happened to go to a local art gallery. While I was there, I saw some very interesting piece of art, right? This sparked some thoughts, and I ran some figures and all that, and I figured I'd do some research on how to actually start my own art gallery. And I also wanted to take it a step further and discuss how to create multiple streams of income from that art gallery at the same time. So I figured I'd make a video about it. So with that being said,
allow me to reintroduce myself.
My name is Devon. Put in work for the Wealthbuilderz.com. That's the Wealthbuilderz with a Z.com, and the co-owner of the Wealthbuilderz Solutions LLC. And if you love content like this video and talking about making more money, saving more money, building a better you and business, then go ahead, subscribe to the channel and like this video. Alright, so let's get into the topic on hand. Starting your own art gallery, right? How do you do it? Let's get to the meat and potatoes. Now, it could be a very interesting business venture, just keep that in mind. And it's going to take some time to get the ball rolling, but it will be well worth it if you do it right. So, number one, define your vision and goals. See, you got to determine the purpose and focus of your art gallery. Decide whether you want to showcase contemporary art, traditional art, local artists, or specific art style. Having a clear vision will help guide your decisions throughout the process. Number two, conduct market research. Research the art market in your area to understand the demand for art, the preferences of potential customers, and the competition. Identify gaps or niches that your gallery could fill, okay? Because you want to make sure that it's kind of different than other art galleries, but kind of the same. You don't want to go too left, you don't want to stay too right, you kind of want to get in the middle. All right, it's kind of, kind of tedious to do so, but I believe in you. You can do it. Number three, create a business plan. See, you got to develop a comprehensive business plan that outlines your mission, target market, marketing strategies, budget, and projected revenue. A well thought out plan will help you stay on track and secure funding if needed. If you find yourself in need of business funding, there is a link in the description for that, all right? So if you're ready to get that business funding on, I got you, all right? There's a link down there. Number four, select a suitable location. Choose a location that aligns with your target audience and budget. Consider foot traffic, visibility, and accessibility. A vibrant art district or a trendy neighborhood with an art-loving resident could be ideal, all right? So you want to look for the neighborhoods in your local city that are specifically kind of just, that hot spot. Every city has it, all right? Almost every city has it. Number five, legal and financial considerations. Register your business and obtain any necessary permits or licenses. Set up a business bank account and keep your personal and business finances separate. Decide on a pricing structure for artists and commission rates. If you need a business bank account, right, then check out my links in the description. All right. Number six, create your gallery space. Design the gallery space to be visually appealing and functional. Consider factors like lighting, wall space, and the overall ambiance. Create a layout that allows artwork to be displayed effectively, okay? Because you want to make sure that when someone walks into your art gallery, they feel the vibe that you're trying to present. They feel the energy what the art is giving, because all art has energy. All right. Number 7, establish relationships with artists. You have to build connections with local and regional artists, attend art shows, exhibitions, and networking events to find artists whose work aligns with their gallery's vision. Offer artists fair contracts and be transparent about the terms and conditions. You don't want to do anything crazy and do anything sleazy and give a Puff Daddy contract. You know what I mean? You don't want to do that. All right. Number 8, develop a marketing strategy. Utilize both online and offline marketing techniques to promote your art gallery. Create a website to showcase artists and their work. Use social media platforms and consider local advertising. Organize opening receptions and events to attract visitors. Okay, if you're in need of hosting for your website, I recommend that you check out Bluehost. The link is in the description. Number 9, host regular exhibitions, right? Plan and schedule exhibitions featuring different artists and art styles. This will keep your gallery fresh and encourage repeat visitors from art enthusiasts. There's nothing worse than you having a dry art gallery, like with nothing going on, no exhibitions, no exhibits, you know what I'm saying? No one, coming with some fresh energy to bring, more people, foot traffic, right? The more people you bring, the more money you get, right? That's how you do it. And you can do a promo for a specific artist on a certain night. They can display all of their work and bring all of the people in their lives that will support them, along with social media blasts, along with local advertising and all that good energy that you're going to bring into the art gallery. All right. Number 10, provide excellent customer service. This is a must-have, right? You have to train your staff to be knowledgeable, approachable, and helpful. Engage with visitors and potential buyers, answering any questions they may have about the art or the artist. Okay? I'm not an artist, I'm an artiste. Number 11, manage finances. Keep track of your gallery's finances diligently, okay? You gotta stay on top of your money. Monitor sales, expenses, and inventory. Consider investing in an art gallery management software to help with inventory tracking and sales processing and customer relationship management. I specifically recommend Quickbooks, all right? If you're interested in checking out Quickbooks, the link is in the description. Number 12, stay committed to your vision, all right? Building a successful art gallery takes time, dedication, and you staying true to your vision. Adapt to market trends when necessary, and continue to build relationship with artists and customers. Okay, so you gotta continuously build your art gallery. It's not just a one and done. You build it and they will come. No, that's not it. You gotta get out there and network. You gotta get out there and grind. You gotta get out there and make your name known, people. So now that we've gotten the basics out of the way of what it takes to start a art gallery, right? Let's talk about how to make this art gallery into multiple streams of income. Okay, so number 1, you can sell art online. You can easily set up a page on your website that's specifically set up to sell art. You can do it on Etsy. You can sell it on Amazon. You can sell it on Facebook. You can sell it on eBay. It's up to you. There's multiple ways you can sell art online. Number 2, sell art supplies. Find a wholesale vendor of art supplies and resell them on your website, at your art gallery, wherever you want to do it, right? Number 3, host art classes. You can host monthly or weekly art classes. You can even hire artists you showcase at the gallery to make it easier to find teachers. Number 4, host paint and sips. Along with art classes, you can host paint and sips, which can be an additional stream of income and probably your primary income stream based on how frequently you can host them. Okay, you can do this every weekend when it comes to painting Sims, or at least once a month. Number 5, host other events. Like, depending on how big the location is, you can host poetry slams, open mic nights, and baby showers, things like that, all right? Even like baby reveals, like, if it's gonna be a boy or a girl type thing, right? So, what they call gender reveals. So it's multiple ways you can do this, right? You can get multiple streams of income, you know what I mean? So remember that the art industry can be competitive. So perseverance, passion, creativity are essential to running a successful art gallery. Check out the Wealthbuilderzsolutions.com to get the tools to help you start or build your art gallery. All right, so there you have it. It's the man. It's the myth. The wealth builder himself. Devon, put in work. Burke, signing off for how to start an art gallery and create multiple streams of income. That's what we're here for, right, people? We're here to build that wealth. So do remember, wealth builders, make more, save more, build more. Peace.